Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Nurse Born to Serve. Today we will see Niman's related psychiatric questions. It is a very important point. If you are new for my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and watch full video. Don't forget to comment is that video is useful or not. Best of luck. The first point is the doses of disulfiram should be the doses of disulfiram should 200 to 300 mg per day, 200 to 300 mg per day. Second point, cutoff score of mini MSc mental status examination. Cutoff score of mini MSc for person indicate dementia. For the person indicate dementia is 23. Third point, maximum score of mini MSc. Maximum score of mini MSc is 30. Fourth point, normal score in mini MSE. Normal score in mini MSE is 25 and above. 25 and above. Fifth point, mini MSE tool for find out mini MSE tool for find out dementia. Sixth point, catastrophic reaction. Catastrophic reaction can be seen in Parkinsonism, myasthenia gravis and Alzheimer's disease. Seventh point, disorder Asperger's, meaning that it is very important point. Disorder Asperger's, meaning that social relationship disorder. 8 point, fake illness or person intentionally harm to self and want to be sick called Munchausen syndrome. Ninth point, sundowning is symptoms or indicator of indicator of delirium. 10th point, person try to be sick in front of others is a malingering disorder. 11th point, frequent episode of sleep during daytime is called narcolepsy. 12th point, autistic child priority concern is, it is very important point, autistic child priority concern is environmental safety. 13th point, the time period of ECT is 0.6 second. 14th point, ECT is absolutely contraindicated in raised intracranial pressure. 15th point, ECT is relatively contraindicated in recent myocardial infarction. ECT causes brain damage. No. ECT not causes brain damage. 17th point, ECT contraindicated in pheochromocytoma. 18th point, electronic waves producing during ECT is called brief pulse. 19th point, voltage of ECT is 110. 20th point, muscle relaxation given before ECT is succinylcholine. Correct age for toilet training is toddler. Correct age for toilet training is toddler. 22nd point, first ECT given was at first ECT was given at 1938. 1938. 23. Involuntary passes of stool. Involuntary passes of stool after physiologically bowel control occurred. After physiologically bowel control is echoparesis. Echoparesis. 24th point, drug of choice in managed neurosis is is desmopressin. 25th point, child may be diagnosed as a neurosis at least after the age of 5 years. 26th point, overeating behavior disorder is called bulimia nervosa. 27th point, delusion is characteristically seen in schizophrenia. 28th point, cognition meaning that thought. 29th point, presence of delusions, hallucinations and disturbed cognitive function is indicated organic brain syndrome. Hi friends, these all are points are very important points. Please remember it. It is very frequently asking points. These points sometimes making you confused, so please remember it. 30th point, hallucination is disorder of perception. 31st point, delusion is disorder of thinking. 32nd point, main excitatory neurotransmitter in CNS. Glutamate. The main inhibitory neurotransmitter in CNS is the main inhibitory neurotransmitter in CNS is GABA. 33, 25 years old wife came into the psychiatric OPD complaining that her nose is longer than usual and she felt her husband not like her because of her nose, and her husband committed relationship with another girl, and she said people made fun of her. It was not possible convinced that she have no more deformity. Her symptoms include delusion. These all are having in delusion. Delusion is disorder of thinking which is firm, unshakable and held with a strong conviction irrespective of social, cultural and educational background. 34th point, auditory hallucination not seen in hysteria. Keep it in mind. In hysteria, auditory hallucination not present. 35th point, tactile hallucinations associated with schizophrenia, cocaine psychosis, temporal lobe epilepsy. Tactile hallucination frequently asking question. Tactile hallucination is frequently asking in examination. Answer is cocaine psychosis, schizophrenia and temporal lobe epilepsy. 36th point, thought disorder is seen in thought disorder is seen in schizophrenia. Deja vu phenomenon is illusion of familiarity in unfamiliar situation. Illusion of familiarity in unfamiliar situation. Patient experienced the familiarity in unfamiliar situation. 38 point. Deja pens is related to the thoughts. Deja pens is related to the thoughts. It is the difference between the deja vu and deja pens. Deja vu is illusion of familiarity in unfamiliar situation. Deja pens is related to the thoughts related illusion. 39th point. Deja intend to related to auditory perception. 39th point. Deja intend to related to auditory perception. 40. Depersonalization is the disorder of perception. 41. Visual hallucination typically present in alcoholism. It is very important question. Visual hallucinations typically present in alcoholism. 42nd. Tactile hallucination is featured of cocaine poisoning. 43. Bantam limb is best example of hallucination. 44. Mirage is a best example of illusion. 45. Delusion not seen in anxiety disorder. 46. In ECT, injection atropine given to before ECT, injection atropine given to decrease oral secretion or prevent aspiration. 47. In 8 hours sleep, NREM sleep is about nearly 6 hours. In 8 hours sleep, NREM sleep is about nearly 6 hours. Non-rapid eye movement sleep. 48th point. Talking while sleeping is called somnology. Talking while sleeping is called somnology. Sleepwalk is otherwise called somnambulism. 49th point. Orthodox sleep is about 80%. Keep it in mind. Orthodox sleep is about 80%. 50th point. Rapid eye movement sleep is about 20%. Hi friends, if you like this video, please mention in comment how you feel this video helpful for your exam. Thank you.